AI is no longer science fiction. It's here, right now. A new era where human creativity and artificial intelligence merge. Imagine combining your skills with AI's speed and precision. The possibilities are endless. AI gives us a new vision, a way of seeing the world, work, and opportunity like never before. The old way of working is slow, outdated, and exhausting. But the future? Fast, connected, and powered by AI. This is not about replacing humans. It's about working side by side with AI, stronger together. From the way we shop, to the way we learn, to how we do business, AI is becoming part of our everyday life. To start, you'll learn the essential AI tools, from ChatGPT to MidJourney, your new creative partners. Step by step, we break it down. No fluff, no confusion. Just practical, easy-to-follow guidance. AI helps you reclaim your most valuable resource, time. Imagine saving 20 hours a week. Turn messy, overwhelming work into clean, automated workflows. Say goodbye to burnout. With AI, you work smarter, not harder. Struggling with content? AI creates social media posts, blogs, and even videos in minutes. It's not about replacing your creativity. It's about amplifying it. From design to editing, AI cuts the time in half, so you can focus on impact. For business owners, AI is a game changer. Funnels, emails, and sales systems, automated. AI nurtures leads, sends campaigns, and helps you scale without stress. The result? More sales, more freedom, more growth. This book is designed to take you step by step, beginner to advanced. You'll learn how to unlock multiple income streams using AI. And you won't just follow trends. You'll lead them. AI is reshaping the world, connecting businesses, creators, and communities worldwide. Education too is transforming. AI is becoming the teacher, the assistant, and the guide. The future isn't written. It's shaped by those who master AI today. AI is not just for tech giants. It's for families, freelancers, and everyday creators. And that's why we created AI for Business and Creators. Your complete roadmap to master AI and use it to grow. Intelligence is no longer just human, it's human plus AI. Save time, work smarter, scale faster. All your tools, all your creativity. Powered by AI. Build smarter connections. Reach more people. Because human creativity plus AI power equals unstoppable results. This is just the beginning. Get the full guide at sivra.gumroad.com. Follow us on Instagram at sivra.studio and TikTok at sivra_products. The future starts now. Will you lead it or follow it?